Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Brilliance, where we illuminate all facets of health and wellness. Have you ever found yourself staring at the dairy section in the grocery store, contemplating whether to splurge on that fancy European butter or stick to the good old familiar brand? Well, today we're going to dig deep into the world of butter, exploring everything from the churning process to the flavors and even to the potential health impacts. Make sure to stick around until the end, because we've got a surprising truth about butter that you won't want to miss. The butter. Basics first up, let's get everyone on the same page about what butter really is. Essentially, it's a dairy product created by churning fresh cream or milk. Simple, right? But as we'll soon discover, there's an entire universe within these creamy blocks. The craftsmanship behind butter. So why do some butters cost more than others? A significant part of that cost comes down to craftsmanship. Artisanal methods that incorporate slow churning or unique fermenting processes, like those used in making cultured butter, can have a big impact on both flavor and texture. Grass-fed versus grain-fed, grass-fed butter versus grain-fed. This is where the plot thickens. Studies have shown that grass-fed butter contains more omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin K2. So when you're reaching for that pricier, grass-fed option, you might actually be doing your health a favor. The Geographic Factor. Some of you may be wondering why European butters, particularly those from France and Ireland, are so expensive. Well, some butters have what's known as a protected designation of origin label. That means they're produced in a specific geographic location under exacting conditions. It's almost like wine. The terroir can affect the end product. Flavor journey. Let's talk flavors. Butter is not just butter. From the smoky hints in some varieties to the rich, almost cheese-like tones in others, the flavor profiles can be amazingly diverse. And when you're cooking, these nuanced flavors can elevate a dish from good to extraordinary. Texture and consistency. Why does the texture matter? A high-quality butter will have a smoother texture and a higher melting point. This has profound implications for your cooking. Whether you're making a velvety sauce or flaky pastries, the quality of your butter can make or break the dish. The color spectrum. Believe it or not, the color of your butter can tell you a lot. Grass-fed butter, for example, tends to have a more vibrant yellow color, thanks to the beta-carotene found in the grass. Color can be a quick visual clue to gauge the quality and source of your butter. Salted versus unsalted. Another choice you'll have to make is between salted and unsalted butter. This is more than just a matter of taste. It affects the butter's shelf life and its suitability for different recipes. Plus, different salts can even add extra dimensions of flavor. Health implications now, the moment you've been waiting for, the health angle. Butter, especially the high-quality kinds, contain types of fats that could be less harmful or even beneficial in some aspects. Omega-3 fatty acids, for instance, can aid in heart health. However, remember that moderation is key. Butter is still a form of saturated fat. And there we have it, folks. The complete guide to understanding the wide world of butter. Who knew that something so simple could be so complex? We've talked craftsmanship, flavor profiles, health impacts, and much more. If you've enjoyed this buttery journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Brilliance for more deep dives into health topics. Until next time, stay brilliant!